Mama wakwaba aha GC and page so meeting the adjoa searching and then the day kanya wo de ehwe me a mesro na wa subscribe to my channel. We are now don sa emia bell ne so ube your notification and esa ne news e de betum bia ube nye bi ati anase ube nye bi ahwe ewo GC and page ha. Deputy Oti Regional Secretary di ma NDC amayoku no na okase na owura ni nsem odi to drain and say no kame akoye say NDC party no emu ye jija na oman panyin da John Dramani Mahama okanyo okan so owura Asiedu Nketia position na upri e de nsem beba but want oye General Secretary di ma party no what do you want again as you say corporate chairman position e de nsem ibe sa chairman position ba ku yi ehonsem enyensem keto akra na no na owure ekyerese owure Asiedu Nketia de sisi wo ye no ebro so sisi wunya platform bia na wototo ayampia wo kekensem so why wadwen so be kensem a ene omo so party members no are ready secret o me ye gwabonti na ndisi fuma kase begimuse ebegimuse na de no owure Asiedu Nketia wo ye sisi party no emunsem na wo huru gwabonti ene na wo tom party ma mo opposition mo enemies NPP free just end this first what you say nye yo they don't think far they don't think madness na de na mo ye and na no rule for some pofo wo pray wo position and chairman as say wo gina wo race Asiedu Nketia na wo pray and na no be wo de oya wo betna TV so ka say nyame party members say de omo de yeme na no me kwa ka asem kakra omo record asema wo kan kakra won hye market en kidnap ayasem kakra owura for some of us ma kan yasem kakra o nyasem kakra owura for some of us chese o di court akonyaba no kwa wonye ndi wie because of politics because of positioning ti one kidnap hye market hey we said for some of us asem kakra kan yi NDC for recording the kwatom NPP for and the owura for some of owura Asiedu Nketia so about o chese na no 2020 about ye kwato omo enwini no mu ni evidence omu ni figures bia omu ko prove ya kire court no no mpese omu twem jemensa no omu de oran kase nenu masem ebu anefo na enso madam no ohunya sapa odwen kwa achi wamba nti no he court na de ko de boye num ni eni asem bia koka na ndisi fo aso no omu se mode mu mpanifo na mu department mode munya saa na mu nkosa mode mu kekensem saa kaka na ebeto aba mu na mu atino position for 8 years a mo bre mu na mo bre nti mode mu kekensem mo ye mo na mo kekenza na Ghana buzo mu tie pa senza na mo kekan mo e mo adwen say mo kekana sympathy Ghana for the mama na said Ghana for ni sympathy bia o ye de pa ne asomdwe nti se mo horo mo ntumagu figu abonten dia ene 2024 so Ghana for the bema wo pa nti owure ni se mo kan na ne say o man pende da John Dramani Mahama kan se sa positioning sa general secretary position chairman position ya owure Asiedu Nketia no ru a official perform April de December ba kwaku frempon de asembeba omo kan omo ante ena hwede omo de yomo ho ne yenti nsem owure e de etuya
o dom kakra omugini di because at least IT directors no omu ejuma nyina no oyo fan enti na no onu na always po o kasa on MPP before the le no say na the fans so sorry so omu tia wa na omu so beka ne omu nim fa ho so a division never party no mo is that the party we want MPP for the system is looking as if that stabilization biba mo ba ma ya dwen ho mo ba ma ya so ye ho mudin ya so sapo mu nsuo na ya nokro na atimi akogi tume na from ho no afa na unnecessary and unhealthy issues to cause of party no. And I believe strongly that Asiedu Nketia way and before the car say you openi betna information no abofra wo gina konwa eduaso kwa unhu Council of Elders President Mahama and before bebre hu ye say these things that are going on today they are bound to happen. And into number 2 I want to number 2 Asiedu Nketia for say who contest now also be contest for example for the jai. It's not worth it. It doesn't mean undemocratic, but it's not worth it because Asiedu Nketia you are an established figure in the NDC. For example, is an established figure in the NDC. You are critical opposition period. I was here the HBG to me a friend is MPP for at all cost. Now about contest no. Now Abraham for of example for ba where Asiedu Nketia ba and that the division tension and bread ben no we in 2023. The kind of division tension also party the most I speak. I don't even believe it can even take us a year to reconcile. So how do we go in 2024 election? Asiedu Nketia must be doing these audios. Some possible within delegates or do no matter about mawa. Must you go and be condemning? Must you go and be doing things that I know quite win that one? The general secretary of a party and men collect results. Who person will blame me? I'm a regional executive, no, and I will blame you. Why? You should blame yourself. It means that because who's your constitution, man, you are a senior employee, election director, IT director, foreign affairs, international affairs,
international relations officer.
When we are administrative organs, or we are demand administration, and who is the administrator of the party? Who is the chief executive officer? We are our chief executive officer. And this and that, there is failure with election directorate. There is failure with IT directorate. There is failure with mobilization organization. I want to say about Subonubo when you be
Sir.
Yes. And this over some buffalo, see or your appointment, and as neck and affect Ginaji to Muse or more appointment at a particular time. Say become President Mahama knew anything I over be can amount for for some movie and DJ man won't cash here because Sabi Kafra at the time now, appointment because not your Mahama leader of the party. Not your Mahama is a former flag bearer, a former president, and a member of the party. And at time no for some of the leader of the party. And if for some people as a leader of the party thinks in the interest of the NDC, I was saying yeah appointment at this time. What is wrong with it? And in any case, is it to suggest that if it's a free anchor, no, you will be at your Mahama by rejecting no appointment, no nomination as an election director or what? In a contest. This is an internal issue. And I'll see you to your book. Now, you're running campaign on issues. And now, for Kobe Bia.
Yeah.
Also, one, or for special security unit, our head officer, the security operations, intelligent people who do the security work on my foot you. Over some for setting disability desk as a left-wing political party there. For you to actually demonstrate to the society, say, ye obia, ye pobia, disability for Ghana, so that the full belonging, unprecedented in any political party in Africa. Over some for say, we are building a robust and a resourceful NDC here. Self-Gafra will go corporate, will go commercial, but our commercials will not be used for investment or whatever. You better use a profit and make it biano. And they are building a resilient party. It's a when people and fear crime by weekend now and the mamus come amunkwa here. There is money for the party to go to funerals, to go to social events. Over some people say, Oba building party here, pro forum, young professionals. We are coming to decentralize it. Region Bia Benyomu Secretariat of Pro Forum who can identify potential. It's a way of mobilizing people to vote for the party. Obia Wakita party no, and then I mentioned Magari, one of the topmost secrets in here. Yet me winning 107 seats. My main catcher at your phone.
And you are there.
Of some people praise some unifying strategy. Bia now a hypocrisy in a high in this, but we must say today. Wouldn't say you call internal primaries in New Year.
Yeah.
Obi obe luzubiano. Only the
Obe peeved.
Or you peeved. Now acquire you might tia your candidate, Sometimes Obaka say go there go corner. No, you might tiano. Also, be to see me mobilize this cab contest election. Nipano or don't cry or influence or voice. Over some of you know this time around that thing will stop. And previously, no, I said don't get a leadership or a general secretary. So, my no coalition, none of them win with 2 votes. Krana. Obi Obe Luzubiano, or they on Sanka. They don't even involve him in anything. And if I'm Philippe now, I them, okay, you might see a candidate. Over Susu no. Obi be our coalition. So, who win your 1 vote to Krana, so what that person in your 99% to Krana. Come and be part of his campaign team. Muko be a Casamano. So at least the little support I also want, it will add up to his support. Then we can win. This is what won at 137 seats. And the same thing was repeated at the national level. Also, more contested President Mahama for flag bearership. He brought them on board to find them a role. To the extent they say, Professor Joshua Labikura Beye, campaign manager for President Mahama. So